guys, it's Leah. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. I'm Leah, and today we are back with another hair video. So today I'm going to show you guys how I fluff out my hair to get my signature kind of little afro look. So if you see my hair right now, my wash and go actually turned out super good, super defined curls, but what are you missing? Volume. So first I just thought I would pop on to show you which products I used for this wash and go. So I used the Cantu leave-in conditioner with argan oil and Aunt Jackie's Baby Girl Curl Custard. So those are the only two products I used in my hair, along with olive oil, and I did the LCO method. So obviously the first step is to wash your hair and add your styling products. But the most important part is you want to wait until your hair is completely dry. If you do this while your hair is still a little bit wet, you are going to get some major frizziness. So this is actually the next morning after I washed my hair. I pineappled my hair when I slept, which actually gave it a little bit more volume. Yesterday it was so flat, but I just slept with it overnight to make sure that my hair is completely dry, because I like to air dry. Even though it takes a long time to completely 100% air dry my hair, I am just super lazy and I would rather not use a blow dryer. So basically the only thing we are going to need for this is a pick. Get your favorite pick, and basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to be starting at the root and we're just going to lift up. And you can already see I've got some more volume going on. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip my head over and do it that way. It can often be a lot easier, and I find that when I flip my head over, I get really good results. Okay, so you can see from that I've got a lot more volume. The only thing is that my bangs are looking a little weird, and then I've got this weird little heart top. So next we're going to try to fix that, but I'm going to use my hands. So for the bangs, I think I've got some hiding in here actually. I'm just going to basically pull these down a little bit. They're actually usually a lot longer. I don't know why they look so short today. So basically what I am doing to fix this heart shape, so I have layers in my hair, right? Bringing some of them to the front, and it almost kind of looked like more bangs in my hair, and see, instantly it already kind of looks like that little heart is gone. So if you're having problems with that, make sure you just cut your layers a little bit more so that you can just bring them kind of to the front as more bangs. This is how it's looking. It's very much kind of one of those little lion cuts. I kind of wanted a little bit more volume, but the thing is, this is just day 2 hair. As the week goes on, my hair is gonna get a lot frizzier and it's gonna get that volume. So this is just what I'm dealing with for day 2. The curls are still super defined and super juicy looking, but I've got some more volume and shape. Oops, looks like I forgot to film an outro, but thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!